Hey, what's up guys, Drool here and I'm back. I feel like I just make a bunch of comeback videos, upload few tutorials and disappear for months and then I do it all over again. I made 9 videos after that update video and took the longest break I have ever taken on this channel. So I guess some things just never change. Hey, what's up guys, Dhruval here, and in this video I'm gonna discuss what I did in last 1 year. So let's get started. First, to the people who are new to the channel, I mean, a lot of people have subscribed to this channel in last 1 year. We basically crossed 500,000 subscribers, which is insane. So to those people who don't know, I don't run this channel full time. It is something that I'm currently doing on the side while I try to figure out what I'm doing in my life at the moment. And now to my regular subscribers, if you remember in my last update video, I was actually discussing that I wanted to explore some new options in my life, and I actually did. I moved to a different country, started full-time college. I'm actually doing my bachelor's in graphic design and already finished 1 semester. So a lot has happened in last 1 year, and all of this took really good amount of time. Basically, after taking break in May 2019, I started preparing for my college. I had to make decisions about a lot of things, like what course I'm gonna do, what country I'm gonna go, which college I'm gonna go, and all of this, it was a big mess and it took really long time to figure things out. And finally I applied to the college, got accepted, and in the beginning of this year I started my first semester, and during semester I basically had no time to make any videos. It actually took some good amount of time to get used to this new lifestyle, but so far I'm actually enjoying it and having a good time doing my college. And to be honest, I was actually gonna upload videos a bit sooner, earlier this month actually, but right before I was gonna do my recording for the update videos, I had a skateboarding accident and ended up breaking my left arm. The doctors were considering that they might have to do some surgery, but thankfully I got away just with a plaster. But this plaster is going to stay on my hand for a very long time. So I'm not sure how I will get used to doing all the recording and editing of the videos like I used to with both of my hands. But I think it's still doable because it's in my left hand and I am right-handed, so that shouldn't be a big problem. I actually did Q&A on Instagram. I basically asked you guys if you had any questions about the channel or what I have been doing in past 1 year, and you guys had some really interesting questions. I'm gonna answer them right now, and they will also provide some general idea about the future of this channel. Question 1. Will you start regularly posting videos again? Definitely. I'm already working on new project. Actually, it's not a new project. I was already working on this video before I took the break, so now I'm just thinking about finishing it up and doing a tutorial on it. It's a pixel stretch effect and you can see some of the finalized versions. And you can actually leave your thoughts in the comment section, which one do you like the most, and I'll probably do tutorial on that file. No promises, but please feel free to share your thoughts. When you will be back? Very soon, hopefully. I'm not sure how long it will take to edit everything with one hand, but you can still expect a new video, I think, within a week. How are you? Well, everything's going good except this broken hand, which is really annoying, but I'm getting used to it. Other than that, life's going great. Thank you for asking. Seriously, man, it's been 1 year. Have you been? I thought you quitted. Oh, no, I haven't quit the channel and I have no plans of quitting it soon. And if I ever decide to quit this channel permanently, I will definitely make a video about that and let you guys know. So don't worry about that. Any big projects you have been working on? Sadly, no, I don't have any big projects going on. I just want to focus on making the classic tutorials that I always make. I mean, I do have some ideas for the future, but they are for the future. So right now, nothing, just standard classic Photoshop tutorials. Reveal your face, nation wants to know. I'm sorry, but I'm somewhat of a camera shy person, and to be honest, I don't think that adding my face in the tutorials will increase any educational value of it, so I don't put too much stress on it. Maybe in future, who knows. Also, during the Q&A, a lot of people didn't have questions. They just sent me this really nice comments and said a lot of kind words to me. And I just want you guys to know that it means a lot to me, and it just helps me keep making content and stay motivated. I will do my best to bring new tutorials as soon as possible. Expect a new video, as I said, I guess within a week. So I will see you soon, and till then, goodbye, take care, and have some fun with Photoshop.